this one. There is, wait a minute, I'm going to show you. Plier, turn it around. See, it's this one. One. Okay. Yes, there he is. Two. And the last one is over here. Turn it. Like this. Yes. And then take it out. Kijk, there we got it. Okay. Now this one out of the way for this moment. Okay. First we give this a clean. See? This over here. This is the new one. Clean this with WD-40. Okay. Here too. Okay. Here. So. Okay. Nice. Okay. So. Hop. Yes. Then guys, we need to mount this one. Screws. I don't know. Okay. This. Then gonna have a look if this fits. Okay. Let's see if we can swap those. These are a bit, see? And these are tighter. See? This is one. Then get this one out. Poof. Get my 13.75. Yes. I'm gonna put this in here. That's better. This one is too big. This one is carefully, I think 8.7, and those pins are, see, 7.7. It's a mil. So we change those two. This I put in here. I'm gonna put this away. Yes, there he goes. Oh, yes. Okay. It's much better. I think I got a bit of silicone grease. Sure that might do the job. Okay. So. Okay. Hop. No. Hop. Oh. Yes. Perfect. Yes. I think this is much better, guys. This one out. And the last one. Oh. Yes. Oh. This one back in here. Just for the time being. Okay. Then a bit of, again, some silicone over here. Oh, yes. Perfect. Then out of the way, this one out of the way. As you know by now, even in plastic I use a bit of this grease so my screw goes in easier. Okay. Still Chinese, huh? It's okay. Okay. And this one. Okay. Oh, not too much. Ooh. Don't over tighten them. Gonna strip the thread. So this, then this. Yes. Let's feel it. Yes. This one. Yes. Good. And then, let's see. Okay. Wow. I think it's perfect. See? Yes. Now, we're gonna slide these in place. Okay. Oop. Yes. Then this one over here. We have one. Up. Okay. And this one. Okay. Up. Here he is. There he is. This one goes over here. Up. Finally one that clicks. Let's see if this is. Yep. I like to turn them so they can't drop out. Well, guys, I think this looks good. Watch. Guys, another thing we're gonna do. This is this Chinese thing. You need to use this one over there, like this. I don't like it. I get the old one over here. I already did it. And I'm gonna show you this one. A minute. Gonna see if I can fold it in like this. Maybe use a plier. Hop, there he comes. See? Oh, here. Wonderful Chinese stuff. Don't like it. Okay, this one. This one. I have to pull out this little lovely little ring. Hey, it was only on one side, actually. And then carefully fold it in. Oh. Yes. Oh. Okay, now we have to take it up like this. There it comes. See? Okay. This one. Okay. So, weten it a bit up and it slides in easy. This one was in here.